Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you the top 3 best Stremio add-ons you should use in 2026. Let's get started. At number 3, we have MediaFusion. MediaFusion is an all-in-one Stremio add-on that collects content from multiple sources into one convenient place. It allows you to explore movies, TV shows, documentaries, and more without constantly switching between different add-ons. Its simple interface and well-organized content make it a great choice for users who want an easy streaming experience. At number 2 is Torrentio. Torrentio is one of the most popular and dependable Stremio add-ons available. It gathers streaming links from various providers and offers excellent playback quality, including HD and 4K whenever those options are available. It's well known for its fast performance and extensive content library. Many users also combine it with Real Debris for smoother playback and access to higher quality streaming links. And at number 1, we have Anime Kitsu. If you're an anime fan, Anime Kitsu is definitely worth installing. It offers a huge collection of anime, including classic series, trending releases, and fan favorites. Its clean interface makes browsing and discovering new anime quick and easy for both new and experienced viewers. These are 3 of the best Stremio add-ons you should try in 2026 to improve your streaming experience. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.